Rishikesh, a tehsil in Dehradun district. It is located in the foothills of the Himalayas in northern India, also known as the gateway to the Garhwal Himalayas. Ramjhula is an iron suspension bridge across the river Ganges, located 3 kilometers northeast from town Rishikesh in the Indian state of Uttarakhand. I'm at Ramjhula. Good morning, Rishikesh. The bridge connects the Shivananda Nagar area of Mulikiretti in Tehri Garhwal district to Swargashram in Pauri Garhwal district, crossing the river from west to east. Though similar in design, this bridge is bigger than Lakshman Jhula, which is 2 kilometers upwards the river stream. This bridge is constructed with a span of 750 feet. Motorbikes and cycles are allowed to run on this bridge. Built in the year 1986, the bridge is one of the iconic landmarks of Rishikesh. This is the best place to relax in Rishikesh. You feel very peaceful and can spend hours sitting here. Morning bath and evening Arti are the best attractions. Sand beaches at the banks of the Ganga river in Rishikesh is a treat to walk your way by the riverside.
Chalo Kedarnath, please.
Some tips for the trek to Kedarnath.
Yeah, same here.
Hi, my name is Sirisha, going to Kedarnath. Come with me also.
Yeah, sure.
We met Suparna. It's a pleasure to meet you and now we became friends. So we are having a good time.
Yeah, and that's at Ramjhula. Yes, this is Nandini.
Hello.
Vijit, hi.
We are coming from Jamshedpur to Delhi and from Delhi to here.
Okay, it's a long way.
It's a long. Completing the trek in one day is not possible, honestly. Believe my words. Because you'll get exhausted and you'll not get the opportunity to enjoy yourself while once you visit Kedarnath. Keep few snacks with you and water, glucose also, and yes, importantly raincoat because the weather can change anytime.
Thank you so much. Love you both. इसका नाम क्या है ये चौक का?
इस चौक का नाम चंद्रभागा पुल चौक है। चंद्रभागा चौक बोलते हैं इसको।
अच्छा।
चंद्रभागा पुल है ये वाला।
अच्छा उधर।
जाएगी आपके 4 धाम के लिए।
अच्छा।
बद्रीनाथ केदारनाथ की। ये रोड ऋषिकेश बसंत का है। और ये जो रोड है, ये आपको त्रिवेणी घाट हरिद्वार जाएगी।
अच्छा ये त्रिवेणी घाट की तरफ। भाई कितना 20 गंगा जमुना सरस्वती. अच्छा.
आरती का टाइम 7:15 बजे इसमें.
7:15 बजे. अभी इस गर्मी के मौसम में. और सर्दी में
सूर्यास्त के अनुसार इसका टाइम बदलता रहता है.
हाँ.
सूर्यास्त के अनुसार
हाँ.
इसका टाइम बदलता रहता है.
अच्छा, सूर्यास्त.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Ethereal.